It's working. Strong.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Flight. Today we respond to a lot of comment about the drum pump. Actually, we got some question and comment about drum pump, but we can't respond all of those comments, so we just make this video to make it clear how is the drum pump work. So Mr. Watt just take a soft drum to do for tutorial today. So as he show you, to make sure that all have to be closed carefully to make sure the sound to make sure the airproof and waterproof. So right now he's already done with the process of closing the pipe. So he installed at the place that have the water. So everyone just make sure that the intake water pipe have to be clear, have to be sure that the waterproof is properly closed, and use the glue to make sure the water and air is not leaking. And right now he's starting to install the output water. So the output water, especially at the next to the tank, have to be use the glue to make sure not leaking. So as you see the Mr. Watt installation, the output is bigger pipe and the input is smaller pipe, because the reason is he want the bigger pipe and the water in the pipe is heavier, much more than the intake's water pipe. So just look at Mr. Watt installation. And finally, at the end of the pipe, he used the same size of the intake water pipe to make sure that the flow of the water is the same, running the same flow. So intake and output is the same pipe at the end of the pipe. So at the first video, Mr. Watt want you to see that he used a bigger but shorter than the intake's water pipe, and the level is different. It means that the level of output water pipe is higher than the intake's water pipe water. So he will measurement to make sure that the output is higher and the intake water is lower. So here is the intake water is like a number 70, 0.70 meter, and this is 0.80 meter. Different is 0.10 difference from the intake water. So now he want to do a fail video, and he want to show that everyone who make fail, this is the reason. So firstly, he just install all the water to make sure the tank is full. So the drum is full, sorry. So he have the rubber to cover on this one, the cap. Before the cap he have the rubber and the wrap with the plastics, and he cap very firmly to make sure the airproof. So everyone carefully about airproof if you want to do the drum pump. So this one, Mr. Watt used the special tool that he made from the chain, and now he's trying to open the water with the short pipe. So the water is coming fastly at the beginning, and right now it's starting to stop coming because here is no suction at all, because the water is still here, it's not sucked because the output water is very short and very light, cannot draw the water from intake pipe. As you see, the level of the water in the pound is still full, is nothing suction. So the next step, Mr. Watt is trying to extend the PVC pipe to be longer, so he trying to connect the PVC pipe, and he used longer, about 10x longer than before, and he used the air pipe. This is a special vertical air pipe, because this one, when the bubble come back from the output water, this one will store the air inside here, and the air will never come back to the drum. And as you can see, Mr. Watt already installed at the end, and he starting to fill the water into the drum right away, and he want to show the level is still 80 meter, and this one is still 0.70 meter. And what happened when he opened the water? So he in progress to fill in the water in the drum to make sure it full of the drum, and then okay, so right now the drum is full, and he's going to close it carefully to make sure that the air is not leaking at the cap. If the air leaking, the drum will not work, and it will not suck the water from the pound. But I'm sure that this drum is very soft, so I don't know, it cannot draw the water much more than this, and this is deformed already. So after Mr. Watt have opened, and the water is just sucked very strong, because the long pipe and heavy water draw the drum deform, and the drum trying to suck the water from the intake water from the pound, but because of the soft tank, the soft drum, so it could not draw the water more, no power to draw the water from the intake. So it's working, but it's not strong at all. It's still just drawing a little bit water only, but actually it worked, but not strong, because it's the drum is very soft, so cannot work very well. So Mr. Watt just want to show that this is working, but cannot use the soft drum to. So in this video we want to show you that you cannot use the soft drum to do the drum pump here, and you will fail if you use the short output water pipe without a vertical pipe. So thank you very much for your watching our video. If you are the first time watching with our channel, please feel free to subscribe, like and comment if you have any suggestion. Thank you very much. Bye. See you again with the next video.